All right, guys, I wanted to go over this letter 6419 with you guys in a little bit more detail and kind of show you what to look for, especially if you're going out and having your taxes done. So I'm going to pull up my little screen here, and I just have a sample form here. So what you're going to do is if you go to get your taxes done somewhere else, you're doing them by yourself, the Advanced Child Tax Credit is going to pull up on Schedule 8812 of your Form 1040. So credits for qualifying children and other dependents. And so I just kind of put in a sample here, just assuming this taxpayer made $36,323. But the key is you want to come down here. So line 4A, number of qualifying children under age 18. And so this form is in your taxes if you've had them prepared already. I would go and double check it and make sure everything looks good. Don't just rely on your taxpayer or your tax advisor to do this correctly for you. Sometimes they make mistakes. So you'll enter in the number of qualifying children under age 18 with a required social security number. So in this example, we have 3. And then number of children included on 4A who were under age 6. So the reason why you're filling out the number of children in these two boxes, because children ages 6 to 17 will get $3,000 child tax credit, and children under the age of 6 will get $3,600. So this one we're just saying, hey, there's 3 children, they're all above age 6. Here's the total of children here. And so this is going to enter out to be $9,000. And then what we want to do is work down here to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to bring in our $9,000 credit here, our $9,000 credit here. And now we want to enter the aggregate amount of the advanced child tax credit payments you received for 2021. So if you were getting payments from July through December, then we need to be looking out for letter 6419 for the amounts to include on this line. So when we get these letters, they're a little bit confusing. So in this example, it's a married couple. And so when the 6419 letter came in, it shows that they had 3 children, but then it had $2,250. So the reason why is this is just one of the taxpayers. So the taxpayer and the spouse both need to have that letter showing 3 children, 2,250 each. So, and I know it seems a little bit confusing. You get these letters, it shows 2,250. You get a little bit confused, but if you add both of them together, so we just grab the calculator, 2,250 times 2 equals $4,500. Now, the total credit is for $9,000. We got half of that payment up front. So now this remaining $4,500 is going to be a refundable credit still to you on your 1040 portion. So this is your refundable child tax credit. So I know it gets a little bit confusing, but the first thing that I would do is I'd go through and I would calculate, okay, I have 3 kids. $3,000 times 3 should give me $9,000. I should divide that amount by 2 because I'm getting half now and then half on my tax return. And then when that letter comes in, that 4,500 might be split again, 2,250 to the taxpayer, 2,250 to the spouse. And so that way you're going to make sure you get the correct amounts. And then what I would do is I'd also go to my bank account, because there are instances where these letters have been mailed out in error, especially if you close the bank account or you move, then we're not getting these letters. And so I also have another video showing you how to go and get your account transcripts from the IRS that would show this amount also. If you aren't able to go to your bank account and reconcile these amounts. So very, very important that especially if you're going having your taxes done somewhere else, if the taxes have already been prepared, they've already been filed, go look at your tax return. There's no one that's going to care about your money as much as you do. And then go and look for this Schedule 8812. It'll be in your tax forms with that your tax preparer gave you. And then just double check these amounts. Make sure they got the right number of children, they got them in the right ages, and that everything looks nice and clear when you go to make sure everything's done correctly. If it's not, then you can always go back and do an amended return. However, that may take some time because the IRS is still super, super behind. So that's why it's super important to make sure that we get the correct numbers right now. So that way there's no holdups inside the processing of your tax return and getting your refunds to you. Hope this video helps. Love you guys. Please, as always, if you have questions, just shoot a comment. I'll try to answer them the best I can during busy tax season. But I hope this will help you guys understand and help you guys get educated on your tax return as well, as far as what's going on. All right, we'll catch you on the next video.